Yo, what's up my YouTube gang? I'm your man Umar Sheikh, and today I will teach you another method that how you can upload video on YouTube with no face and generate more income and earn more passive money. So without wasting further time, let's do for it.
Preview.
So step number one, what you have to do, you have to pick those videos on YouTube who have great reviews, almost millions of views. Now why those videos who have great reviews? Because the thing is that these videos retains more traffic on YouTube. So taking a benefit of this thing, you have to adopt those videos who have great reviews. Now what you have to do whenever you get those video who have great reviews, then you have to find their transcripts. If you are not able to get the transcripts, then there are some online website also who can convert the video to text form. How? Let's see. Okay friends, so firstly what you have to do, that you have to search for those videos who have great reviews, like search anything on the YouTube. What I will search. Okay, I just had a tea, so I will search benefits of tea. It has 40k views, it has 274k views, and later on. Okay, this will have 4.4 million views. So I will take that video. So I have now this video. So what is next step? Your next step is to do. Now you have two options. First, you will use online websites. They are providing material that you have to convert your video into a text form, or the short form is go to this setting and show transcripts. Now here is all the transcripts you have. It means that whatever video is saying, you will already get in text form. So I will copy that all of this material, and suppose this is all the material. I will copy that all of this material and paste to in new file. There you go. And I will now adjust this little bit settings. This is a little bit disgusting type settings. I will also post you the direct links that will convert your video file into text file, like there's a Happy Scribe website. This is a very famous website, Happy Scribe. This will also provide a facility to convert your video file to text file. This is my first recommendation for this website. Otherwise there is many other websites like vid.io and many tons of websites available on the website on the internet that will provide your video to convert into text form. But Happy Scribe is the most suitable website. That is my suggestions. Step number 2. Now what you have to do, you have the text in your hand, the text format in your hand. Now what you have to do, you have to make your own recording of this text. You can do this with your help of mobile, or you can use many online softwares. How you can do this? Let's see. Step is to rephrase in your own language the total transcript you have mentioned. Like here, I have only picked these 5 lines, and I will record these lines with the use of some softwares. You can do this with your own mobile, or you can do this by online websites. Like I have this website 123 apps with the name of this website. I will record these lines one by one. Like just click that button and repeat every line, like top 5 benefits of drinking tea. Then I will repeat number 1 line, tea may keep you smile. Similarly, I will repeat all of these lines for my own video. Now step number 3. This is very important step for you, because this whole video is based on this step number 3. Now next and last step is that you have to use those softwares who converts your text and audio and recording into a video file. Now there are two options. First thing is that you can use online software by doing payment method and something like this. But another method is that you have to use their apps software also. I also put down the link for this software. You can also check the link on the description if you get the free software of this videoscribe. So how to do this? Let's see. Okay, the last and for most important step of our video is videoscribe. Yes, videoscribe is a key software here, and because its main function is to convert your audio and your images and your overall scripting is this software converts your overall things into video form. So what we have done in our step number 1 and 2, this will combine these things and make an animated video, which is easily we can call whiteboard videos. That is why I prescribe this software very much, that this is my first and foremost subscription for you, that you have to use this software. Otherwise there are tons of other software also on the internet that will make these type of functions, but videoscribe is my first recommendation for you. I will now there are two functions by using this. First thing is that if you are using online software, then you have to do some payment methods. But online use there are online software is very accurate and you can say that very friendly, that you can just paste, drag and drop things, and your online automated whiteboard video is created, which is very good thing. But there is an other way. Those who are unable or who are not able to pay the online method, then I will post the link also in the description, that you can use this that you can download this software manually and do your work manually. So there are tons of other tutorials available on the YouTube that how to work on videoscribe. So this software is very good for you for making your videos. So after done editing on my this software videoscribe, I have now this video here. I can show you the video by playing this. Top 5 benefits of drinking tea. Number 1, tea will keep your smile bright. Number 3, aiding weight loss. Number 4, reduce your risk of heart attack. That's it. You, and here's my picture. Thanks everybody. Stay happy always. Live long. So you can see that how I made this video on this software, and I will suggest you to use this software. That is my recommendation. And also you can see that I uploaded this video on my channel too. There is check complete, no issue found. I can publish this video if I want. So this is overall about my this video and software. So that's it, my YouTube family. You will see that how you can make your own video without showing your face and make animated whiteboard video, which is considering very good in nowadays in YouTube. So if you like my video, please do subscribe, comment and share, and thanks for your love and support.